If you want to provide extra support for ThunderBuddy 01 Productions, become an official ThunderBuddy superfan. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to exclusive emojis, get a cool badge next to your name, and other cool perks such as shoutouts and priority replies to your comments. Join now with the link in the top of the description.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Alright, just struck 11 o'clock. Upton should be doing their weekly test today. They canceled it today because they were doing software upgrades. Got WXA42 going. Got WXM80 going. Wow!
Forecast for long
Alright, all the radios in here are taken care of. Wow, looks like all the radios in here took care of themselves. So, let's see. The ESP2100 went off. Let's see, did the Sage activate? Yeah, alert log. Let's see. Oh, today's the 24th, so let's see. View. Alright, Sage went off for WXJ42's test. Damn it. Let's see. And looks like it activated for WXM80's test. And looks like the EasyCast went off as well. The Honeywell went off. The 519, I think this is the first header?
3 to 4 feet.
No, that's the third header. The 2003 261, the 521, both AlertWorks radios. Did the WX100 go off? Yes, it did. I'm gonna have to maneuver my hand through these antennas here. The 262, the 04 261, the 519, the 382. The Spark didn't go off because it doesn't monitor weather band. The 370 went off. Here's the WX268. Scrolling right at and with the time frozen up there, that just shows when it went off. The 991 went off as well, so perfect activation in here. That is so good to feel. I'm gonna shut this off to conserve battery. And now onto the radios in my bedroom. So this guy has a super annoying siren, so I had this on before the test. The 603 went off. Oh wow, the Emerson didn't go off.
Southwest.
Oh, no wonder.
Increasing to 15 to 20 knots.
Yeah, no wonder it didn't go off. The J-Win, surprisingly. The Max Digital, the 247. All 4 of my 300s went off. The SFA 1135, I finally got a power cord for it. Hopefully this one doesn't give me as much issue as the other one did. The 8560, the 438. There's the version 8 on KW035. Got the Sidekick. I haven't unplugged for now because I noticed with the cord plugged in, it tends to get a lot of interference. Over here we got the WR11 went off. The 120 with the event code glitch. The version, I believe this is the version 2, or the 2019 version of the 400. That one went off. The 74200 went off. The 74105. I keep blanking out on these names here. Did the WR10 go off? I don't remember. The ER310, the 250C, trying to get a good angle, there we go. All 3 of the HHs went off. The 74210, yeah, this is just one of the no message glitch from before. Freaking sucks. The other 2 120s went off. The one on WXM80 and the one on KW035. The 100 that was on WXM80 went off, but not the one on KW035. But KW035 reception on this thing is kind of shoddy anyway. The version 5 100 is the only 100 to have actually gone off, and that actually pisses me off a little bit. The ER3, wow, the 102, the ER102MO I didn't have set to go off because, I don't know, lazy. The SolarLink FR370 went off. The ER50, the other Oregon Scientifics went off. All of the Radio Shack handhelds went off. The 259, the 993, the other 259, the 522, which I'm surprised it went off. The FR600 kind of had a false decode, as you can see by the warning light. For some reason, if I can, yeah, unrecognized warning. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. The WX150 went off. Try not to knock over the HDR14. The FR800, the Zone Guard Plus went off. The Zone Guard, the regular one, I believe just activated for 1050. The Maxon went off. The 8500, 1650D. Of course, this piece of shit didn't go off. And yeah, this guy didn't go off either. I am not going to touch this. I've seen multiple power issues with this thing. I do not want to have to reset the time. The SFA 1150 went off. Wow, the Motorola didn't go off. That is sad.
Wind less than 10 knots. Becoming south. Seeing 3 to 5.
It should have. It's gone off with a signal like that before. The 996, the WX67, all 3 running signals, but yeah, won't be a good weekly test without the frickin' running snails crashing. There we go. The R500 went off. The 1650A, Sharecom. Yeah, the Sanjian CL100 is on WWH33, and they tested yesterday, if you saw yesterday's compilation. Then over here, the 260 went off. The I Love, the 255, the 258, the 253, the 250, and the 249. Oh wait, did it go off? Jesus Christ, with the sun bleached faceplate, you can't even tell. Yeah, so yeah, kind of pissed that the 100s didn't go off, but yeah, what can you do? They're kind of quirky radios anyway. So, with that said, oh, before I forget, WADO, WXNY, and WQBU, they all went off. So with that said, I will see you guys next time.